Hi, I am Hariom. You are watching 7.1 exercise coordinate geometry of the class 10. Let us do the first question at this time. What is the first question? Find the distance between the following pairs of points. We are having, this is a pair of points, this is a pair of points, this is a pair of points. We are required to find out the distance between these. First of all, we are required to write down the distance formula. This is distance formula. x2 minus x1 to the whole square, y2 minus y1 to the whole square. This is the distance formula. So, in earlier classes we have already studied about it that the first number is x coordinate and the second number is y coordinate in the same way. In every point we are denoting in the same way. This is also as it is x1, y1, x2, y2. In each pair we are having the same formula, this distance formula, and we are required to find out the distance between these 2 points. So let us find out the distance. I am writing the formula for this one. x2 minus x1 to the whole square, y2 minus y1 to the whole square. What is x2 here? x2 is this one. 4 minus 2 to the whole square, y2 1 minus 3 to the whole square. If we are subtracting 4 minus 2, we are getting 2. And in class 8 you have studied this is 1 and this is 3. 3 is a greater number than 1. So we will get minus 2 to the whole square. After squaring this one we will get 4 and we are getting 4 by this one. It is 8. Now we can factor it 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and we will take it out 2 under root 2. The first question. Now the second part of this question. First of all we are required to write down the distance formula. What is the distance formula? You all are required to speak with me. Speak out the distance formula. How much time you can speak it, it is well for you. Now x2. What is x2 here? x2 minus 1, x1 minus, this is 1 minus is here and 1 minus is with x1. So minus 5 square. y2 is 3 and y1 is 7 square. Now in class 8 number system we have studied that if we are having minus in front of a bracket and we are opening the bracket, this minus will change the inner sign. What is an inner side inside the bracket? It is minus and it is also minus. This is 5. This is minus 5 and if I am taking minus here, this minus will make it positive. Plus this is a smaller number, this is greater number, minus 4 square. Minus 1 plus 5. 5 is greater, 1 is smaller. 4 square. Minus 4 square. 4 plus 4 square 16. Minus number is, if we are squaring any number, maybe it is minus, it will be positive. 32. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Multiply 2 and multiply 2. If we are factoring 32, we will get this one. We also know the pair will come outside, then it will come 2 multiply 2 under root 2 because this number is not having any pair. So this is the answer of question number 2 and I should say second part of the question number 1. Now the time is to do the question number 3rd. And first of all we are required to write down the distance formula. What is distance formula? Tell me. This is distance formula. Do you know? Tell me what is x2. x2 is minus a. What is x1? x1 is minus a whole square. y2. What is y2? Minus b. What is y1? Minus b. And by the rules of minus, it will be minus 2a square and minus 2b square. It should be known to you. It is required to known to you. It will come 4a square plus 4b square. We can take 4 as a common, a square plus b square. This 4 and this complete bracket, this bracket, both are multiply. We can write down it like that also. A square plus b square. Do we have any pair? Yeah, we are having any pair. This is a square plus b square. That's all the question. Thank you.